back to my channel. So you guys have seen my hair out for the past couple of weeks and it's been getting a little dry. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is show you a fun little mask. So today we're gonna make an egg mask using just the egg yolk. Just need a few ingredients: coconut oil and tea tree oil and a ball, and your mixer and a spoon to get this started. So what I did was I already cracked these eggs, so they're just in a jar, and I'm going to go ahead and separate just the egg yolk. Now I do have a little bit of egg white that did end up in there, guys, so don't have to worry about being precisely exact with separating these. We just want to make sure we're getting just the egg yolk with a tiny bit of egg white, and so we can go ahead and mix that. The next thing I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use your oil of choice, avocado, olive oil, but coconut oil works great for me for this little recipe. It helps my strand a lot, which is what I'm focusing on, keeping my strand as moisturized and healthy as possible. And coconut oil do a great job at that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add 20 drops of tea tree oil. And if you guys notice, I have 5 egg yolks in there, so use more or less of however much you need for your hair. Depends how long and thick your hair is. And we're gonna mix this for about a good 2 to 4 minutes. Depends how much it takes to get your eggs mixed. You just want to make sure you get it in a really creamy consistency and everything is evenly mixed. You don't see the oils and the eggs separating. That's when you know that it's mixed correctly, guys. And after that, we're gonna go and apply this to our hair. So I have all my hair out. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't pre-poo it. I didn't do anything. You want to do this on just regular hair before you wash it, so you don't have to shampoo it or anything. Just go ahead and start applying this. Now, one little thing I do want you guys to notice is I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my ends, and I'm gonna put this on my edges, and I'm doing my best to not put this on my roots. So do your best to put as little of this mix as possible, because what we're focusing on is our ends. We're not worrying about putting this on our roots, because the ends is the reason why I made this mask, so we can hydrate our ends, get it to be a lot healthier and stronger. So that's why you're gonna see me, guys. I'm gonna go all over my hair and apply this all to the ends of my hair, front to back. And quick little note, I believe I've mentioned this to you guys before, I start on the front of my hair. I do front to back because the front of my hair tends to need a lot more help than the back, because it is drier, it is more textured. So putting my mask on first in the front, give it a little bit of extra time than the back would need. And that's what I'm gonna do, guys, all over my hair, going from front to back. So after I do my last one, guys, one thing I always do, you see me in all my videos, go in the middle of my hair. The middle of my scalp tend to be super dry. It needs a lot more help. So even though I don't put any treatments on the other parts of my roots of my hair, I always put it in the middle, as well as my edges, my front and back edges in the middle part, to make sure that's moisturized. After everything is said and done, guys, you see all my hair covered. I'm gonna go ahead and use a plastic cap and put this on, and guys, I'm gonna make sure all my edges are covered and leave this on for about an hour. So it's up to you how long you need this. After this is done, you guys can see it's all soaked in, everything is moisturized. My hair looks great. I'm gonna go ahead, guys. First thing I'm gonna do is take these twists out and actually rinse it out, because I want to make sure all the egg product is out of my hair. And I'm gonna sit under this and rinse everything out thoroughly until I know that my hair is completely rinsed out. And yeah, guys, this is important because you want to make sure you really rinse this out, because part of this is I am not gonna actually shampoo my hair. All I'm doing is the egg mask, and then I'm gonna deep treatment it. So that's why you want to make sure you thoroughly rinse out all the egg yolk out of your hair. So now, guys, you can see it's all rinsed out. My hair is free of any eggs, and you guys can see how nice it looks already. I'm so happy of how much of my curls are actually showing, which I usually don't pay attention to, but you can see it in this video. After doing that mask, I just go in and I rinse it out just a little bit more, just for good measure, to make sure that it's completely rinsed out. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my deep treatment masks after this to make sure I'm getting some extra conditioner. And I don't do a lot, just a little bit, because I'm not trying to super deep condition my hair. Just want to make sure I add enough to make a difference to put it in there. I do all of my strands again. I'm avoiding the roots and my edges, front to back edges, guys. And I'm gonna apply this and put my hair up while I shower. Leave this in for about 15 to 30 minutes, depending how long is my shower. Afterwards, I'm done. I rinse this out, guys. I absolutely love the result. My hair feels so much stronger. My ends, all what I was worrying about, and they feel so good. They already feel super soft and hydrated, which is the end result I was looking for. So I'm excited about that, if you guys can see how good it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, leave all of your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up and go ahead and watch my last video.